everyone, will help you answer the following questions: how to stay healthy in an unhealthy world, and how to stay young at any age. Excited bang lahat? Siyempre, no? Lifestyles Home Office is in Toronto, Canada. And our Lifestyles mission is to provide health and wellness solutions to help people live better every day. Yes or yes? Yes. Yeah, founded. Lifestyles is an international corporation founded in 1989 in Toronto, Canada, ships to over 40 countries. All products are manufactured by Lifestyles in Canada. Guys, before I introduce to you our first speaker, oh my God, I would like to inform everyone to stay tuned until the end of this presentation and have the chance to win free products. Yes, you heard me right. Meron tayong mga free products later. Okay, so stay tuned until the end. Introducing to you our first speaker. She is a graduate of Business Administration, major in Marketing and Advertising, former banker in the Philippines, former licensed life broker in Michigan, coder and biller in healthcare industry, and she was promoted to international marketing director on February 2021, all the way from USA, international marketing director Encarnacion Go. Take it away, IMD.
Wow, thank you so much, GMD Susan. I love the energy. Yes or yes. Good morning to my fellow distributors and to our guests this morning. It is literally morning here at my end. It's 8 o'clock in the morning in Michigan. So, are you ready? So, I'm so happy to be able to share to you about our advocacy because, we need to know about what we need to do, right? Remember, knowledge is power. When you know what to look out for, then you have the ability to change. So we will become healthier. And prevention is better than cure. Yes or yes? So next slide. So this, why do we get age? Why do we get sick and get diseases? Oh my God, aging is not about numbers. It's all about how healthy we are. It does not matter if you are in your 80s. When you are healthy, you look like in your 40s, right? Do you agree? So why do we age faster? Why do you think? If we won't do anything about it, how do you think we will look and feel 10 years from now? And we won't be having these questions. Will we get cancer or heart disease? Oh, that's very scary. Next. And these are the reason because of body pollution. This is a very sad fact. These diseases are making us older and get sick. So, what do we need to do? Let's discuss it one by one. What are these body pollution? Processed foods, yes. Fast food, are you guilty? Hot dogs or anything that is pre-packed are all processed foods and they are slowly killing us. Can we avoid them? Of course not. Why? Because we are used to eating them and we cannot just stop. But if there's a will, there's a way. What's next? Smoking. So, smoking, I grew up with parents who smoke. But what did it do to me? I developed asthma. And if you are exposed to secondhand smoke or third-hand smoke, then it is equally damaging to our health. What's next? Medications. Medications are useful, yes, in emergency cases, yes, but those prescription medications, which they call maintenance, is just merely maintaining our sickness and do not cure the root cause of the disease. And the side effects on a long-term use outweighs the benefits. No, the scary still. And next is lack of exercise. Of course, when we are not moving, our muscles will lose its strength. We gain weight, bones may get weaker and lose endurance. And most likely, in the long run, we will develop heart disease, diabetes, and a lot more. And next is stress. Oh, sino bang walang stress dyan? Stress is the biggest factor and contributor of our health. Huwag nating iwanan ang stress because that's very helpful in some cases. We cannot avoid stress, but we need to manage it. A good stress helps and motivates us and is also vital for a healthy life. So next is environmental pollution. Of course, we are more aware about this, especially during COVID. Now our environment are more polluted than before. The air that we breathe is not clean and more microorganisms are getting into our lungs. Agree ba kayo dyan? Yes. Pesticides and insecticides sprayed to our fruits and vegetables, and we do not know how to clean them properly before eating. No, scary talaga. Health implications of body pollutions. Ano yan? So there you go. Do I need to say more? Of course, these body pollutions can greatly affect our body, especially to our immune system. It will cause hormonal changes. Free radicals will go to our bloodstreams and cells. It can damage our vital organs. It can affect our brain and nervous system. It can also cause obesity. The scariest right now is cancer and heart disease, which has affected a lot of people close to us. So what do we need to do? We need to fight back. Yes, we need. How? How can we fight back? Let's see. Fighting back with proper nutrition by eating colorful real foods. When I say real, real, that comes from nature. Remember, anything that doesn't come from nature is dangerous. We need to eat at least 5 to 10 servings of fruits and vegetables per day. But do we eat these foods every day? Oh, I can hear some say yes. Next slide. But the pollutants that I mentioned earlier can explain we still cannot be sure if we get the proper nutritions or nutrients because first farmers are not using natural soil anymore. All they use are GMOs. Plants are extracted even before they're fully grown because of high demand. Cooking and processing will deplete the nutrients and our poor and unhealthy eating habits. So what should we do? Supplements are very essential because we need the help. Oh, sinong nagsabi dyan? We need help. Of course, we need help. So since it's almost impossible for us to get the right amount of nutrients for our modern diet, supplements are very essential to help our body get the needed nutrition. And we have to choose. Ano ba? Kailangan pumili. Can we trust just any supplements? Oh, remember, you're ingesting it. There are synthetic and natural supplements. Of course, we want natural. So, this is our flagship product. Intra, the world-renowned botanical drink. I'm not biased because I am distributor, but our products I know comes from a reliable company, manufactured from a reliable country. Our flagship product is Intra, the world-renowned botanical drink. It tastes great. Even babies and kids love it, and it comes in capsule form. Of course, it helps boost immune system, which is the doctor in our body, support healthy heart, increase energy, and cleanse your body from toxins, which is very, very important. It is safe for all ages. Pass the test of time for safety and efficacy. Certified pa tayo, no? Safe for athletic use by the International Olympic Committee and contains no steroids and stimulants. Ano ba ang role ng mga botanicals nito in fighting body pollution? Our Intra has 23 herbs that is synergistically formulated. Basically, you are getting the benefits of 23 herbs in one bottle. Amazing. And these herbs will help our body detoxify, cleaning toxins from our body, supports healthy cardiovascular system, aids digestion, it boosts energy, balances hormones, supports nervous and skeletal system, antioxidant, which takes care of our cells, and most importantly, it aids and supports our immune system, which is our body's natural defense from virus, bacteria, fungi, and free radicals, the pollutants that destroys our body. And next slide is, this is the graph by PubMed. We borrowed this graph from PubMed. This is made for efficient literature search essential to the practice of evidence-based medicine. PubMed provides free access to one of our largest searchable biomedical databases. The research compared Intra to our other leading supplements available in the market, and they concluded that Intra targets all of the 8 biological systems of our body, which is cardiovascular, digestive and energy, eliminative, antioxidant, endocrine, immune system, nervous system, reproductive, and structural musculoskeletal. Okay, amazing. And our next product is Nutria Plus. Nutria Plus is the second best that you should take together with Intra. Bakit? Because it takes care of our body up to the cellular level and it reduces the risk of cancer. It is a powerful antioxidant supplement which contains fruit and vegetable concentrates, plant extracts, vitamin C, and selenium to keep healthy our cells. Okay. It also helps reduce inflammation, no, which is the root cause of all diseases, prevent and heal skin damage due to sun exposure, improves tissue repair and regeneration, and prevent cancer. You know, the selenium used is the Seleno Excel Selenium, which is used by National Cancer Institute studies globally. Nurture Plus also helps slow down the aging process. Sino gusto maging bata dyan? Yes or yes? Wag lang batang isip, right? So next product is Fiber Life. This one helped me with my GERD, acid reflux. And Fiber Life is a soluble plant fiber. It is a conjunct glucomannan plant fiber and has the highest viscosity of any fiber tested. It means you drink plenty of water when you take Fiber Life. So it is simple as ABC. Very simple. Next slide. A is for appetite control. If you want to maintain your healthy weight or you want to lose weight, take it at least 30 minutes before a meal with plenty of water. It expands in your stomach. It will give you a feeling of fullness. Excited ba? B for blood sugar. Diabetes is the fast-growing disease in the world. And mind you, mahilig tayo sa carbs. And we all need to keep our blood sugar down. With Fiber Life, we will be able to keep our blood sugar levels under control. For cholesterol naman, which is the C, which we all know is a risk factor also in heart disease, right? And it is the number one cause of the death of men and women around the world. So it is important to take Fiber Life to help our body lower the levels of cholesterol. It acts like a sponge by binding cholesterol and toxins in the food, and it eliminates body toxins. Amazing Fiber Life. Next is Cardiolite. Alam nyo, this is very amazing. Why our company made this? Because one of the leading cause of the death of men and women in every single country in the world is heart disease aside from cancer. And that means heart attack, stroke, aneurysm, and blood clot. Now we need to keep our arteries and our heart healthy, right? And the ingredients in our Cardiolite are vitamin K2, the most underrated vitamins that we all need. Hawthorn extract is also there. Cocoa powder, red beet extract, cayenne pepper extract, magnesium citrate, folic acid, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, and all of this can keep our arteries stay soft and open so that our blood can flow easily without being blocked. And the added benefit also is that it will improve our brain function as well as the vitamin K2 will also keep our bones and teeth healthy. Amazing. So, better together. When we take all of the four products, we call them better together because they're all better taken together. Commit to a 3-month detox program, guys. For first month kasi, it's cleansing. The toxins from our body should go out. Second month is replenishing, repair process will start. Third month is rebuilding and strengthening of our 8th biological system. Most people who are taking our supplements consistently will start feeling the benefits after 3 months. Amazing. So our BT kit contains 2 bottles of Intra, 1 bottle of Nutria Plus, 1 bottle of Fiber Life, and 1 bottle of Cardiolite. Amazing, right? So price list. And since our products are distributed globally, take a picture, no? Para ma-remember nyo yan. Here are the prices from different countries. Please take a picture for your reference. Ayan, our product quality. We take pride of our product quality. Lifestyles produces a full line of natural source, premium quality products that helps fight the damaging effects of body pollution. It is produced in Canada in accordance with GMP, that's good manufacturing practices, HACCP, that's Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point, standards for purity, safety, and sanitation, so you are sure it's healthy for our body. Approved by FDA, kosher rated, and halal certified, and with 30-day money-back guarantee. Yes or yes? So to find out more, about fighting body pollution. Lifestyles have a book for this written by our Senior Vice President and nutritionist Paul Kramer and Dr. Paul Hacker, which is available in Amazon. So I have a question for you guys. How much do you care for your body? We only have one body. We must take care of it. Every day, our body is very sick and organs fail. Working on it will be much harder and needs more attention. But if we take care of it now, while it is still in a healthy state, then maintaining it will not be as hard. Agree na agree, right? So take care of it while it is still healthy. If you take care of it now, it will love you back. Yes or yes? Yes. So paano ba ako napadpad o napudpod, hindi napudpod, Bisaya pala yan, sa lifestyles? I've known lifestyles naman kasi since 2000, no? I think I was one of the first few na nauna. Hindi ko alam, ganyan ako katanda. But still, 2018, guys, eto na nangyari sa akin, no? Marami na akong naging mga sakit. Ayan, anxiety, depression, palpitation. Ayan, basahin nyo yan sa dami. At yung mga medications na yan, hindi lang yan. Natapon ko na yung iba. I was a frequent flyer ng ER, emergency room or urgent care, no? So what happened? Nag-attend lang ako ng ganito, no? Nag-attend ako kasi I had the willpower to do it. I was so desperate then. So anong nangyari? Next slide. Anong nangyari sa akin? Yan, marami akong diagnostic test. Naku, ang hirap kaya, no? It's very, very, I was very anxious. I was scared, and yung mga result, no? And next, then nag-attend ako ng webinar. Webinar pa ang tawag noon, no? So, ito na, from these medications on the left side, ito na ang iniinom ko ngayon, no? Yes or yes? So, after that kasi, nawala na yung mga blood pressure ko became normal. Basta lang, kontrol na natin ang stress sa buhay. No? Huwag lang itanggal yung asawa kasi isa din yan sa stress natin. Yes or yes? Next slide. Ano pang nangyari? And because of my benefits na feel ko sa products, I shared it to other people. I did not know I was already doing the business, guys. No, hindi ko alam yun. 4 months after, naging National Marketing Director ako. Hindi ko alam. Pinaalam na na-apply natin. Next slide. Ito yung mga activities ko. I shared the products like I was a crazy person. Nabuang na sa lifestyles, no? Nabuang sa intra. Yes or yes? And marami pa akong activities. After that, yan, kalayaan, no? I engaged to a lot of activities here in Michigan. Sa intra. Yes or yes? And marami pa akong activities. After that, yan, kalayaan, no? I engaged to a lot of activities here in Michigan. Nag-home meetings kami. Next, I went to our Canada office, which I'm going in May 4. Watch out for it, no? So next, and I have 2 elite leaders in Team Global. And a lot more coming, no? Watch out for it. And these are the people who made it possible. So itong business natin, because you're doing the business when you share the products, it's just sharing, no? Sharing your story. And I went to the Philippines, I went to California, I went to South Carolina. Next slide. So yun na, marami na tayong gagawin dito, no? It will make you yung personality mo, it will make you grow. Yes or yes? Zoom meetings, and these are my mentors. I really love them. 6 years na ako dito. We're still intact, no? This is a relationship business, and I became International Marketing Director because of Team Global. Yung mga tao na under, and because of the business, ayan na, nagkabahay kami ng bago. May bahay naman kami noon, pero luma yun, no? We have a new house now because of the business. So you do the business also para maging financially stable din tayo. And I received an award. Dito pala sa lifestyle, may award tayo, no? Your effort will not go unnoticed, no? Talagang i-award ka pag may ginagawa ka dito. Next slide. And ano pa? Yes, nabuang. And this is my family. Dapat ang family mo ang push ang motivation mo dito, no? If you quit on your family. So wala yan, hindi yan dapat gawin natin, no? And next slide. So ito ang reason, one of the reasons aside from the family kung bakit ako nag-pursue nito. Because you cannot physically work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days in a year. Pero pag may pera ka, yon ang magtatrabaho sa iyo. Yes or yes? And if you don't find a way, ito, pinakamasakit. If you don't find a way to make money while you are sleeping, naku po, you will work until you die. Huwag natin gawin yan. So while you are still in your productive years right now, do the business. But of course, first, instant na. Yung mag-package na tayo, bumili tayo ng products. With that, thank you so much and good morning!
Yes, thank you so much. I am Dishon for such an informative presentation about our amazing lifestyles products. Okay, introducing to you our second speaker. I'm so excited. She is a BS Airline Management graduate, class first honor 90-day momentum program batch 5. She was awarded as best team player, team fighter, Fighter Unstoppable by GMD Imelda Rosales. She achieved the third highest position of Lifestyles on November 2021 volume. And she's a product of our own products. Please, everyone, help me welcome National Marketing Director, Jonah Pilapel. Take it away, NMD.
Yes, thank you so much, beautiful JMD Susan, for that wonderful introduction. So once again, I'm one of the National Marketing Director, Jonah Pilapil from Cebu, but right now I'm here in Bukidnon. So my task for this morning is about the marketing. So gusto niyo ba makainom ng libre? So let us listen kung paano tayo makainom ng libre. So here is it. Our distribution tool is the network marketing. Yes, network marketing. So it operates like a franchise without a high cost. And it is a multi-billion industry experiencing success for almost 30 years. So ang tagal na, 30 years for almost. And then look, we have a very low startup cost with unlimited income potential. Ito na yung masarap, unlimited income potential. At saka it offers leveraging the secret of the rich. So ito yung sekreto ng mga mayayaman, leveraging. At saka it is taught in business schools already. Paano tayo makainom ng libre? Yes, of course, be a distributor. Yes, merong puhunan tayo kasi negosyo to. So what are there are two packages. First, we have here the Instant Direct. So si Instant Direct, we will be given 30% outright discount. So you will pay only 105,960 and you will be given 17 BT kits yun. At yung 17 BT kits, it cost 147,050 pesos. Plus, the company is generous. Meron pa tayong 9 bottles of intra-free and that is 16,650. So, walang nakalagay doon na not for sale. So, we can sell it and the amount of that is 16,650. Look at the profit and savings that we have. So, it's 57,000 for sale. So, we can sell it and the amount of that is 16,650. Look at the profit and savings that we have. So it's 57,740. Wow, ang laki. Amazing business talaga. Kasi yung return on investment natin is 54%. Yes or yes, 54% lang naman. Yes. So yes, and we also have the next package. It is called Direct Express. So pag Express Direct, we have 20% outright discount. Bibigay yung 20% outright discount kahit hindi ka pa member. So, you will be given 9 BT kits and you will pay only 64,400 480. But the amount, the worth of that 9B tickets is 77,850. And then, meron pa ring tatlong intra na free. That is worth 5,550. So, yung profit and savings natin is 18,920. Not bad. Ang laki pa rin. Yung pinalabas natin na punan is only 64,480. But yung meron tayong profit and savings na 18,920. Return on investment is 29%. Yes or yes, 29%. Ang laki ng return on investment natin. Next slide, please. So, ang napakasarap nito kasi 40% on the next purchase plus meron pa tayong 1 million personal accident insurance or 100,000 hospital reimbursement. Yes, meron tayo kasi protected tayo. Ganito ka, generous yung company. Doing our mission, protected tayo. Ano na lang natin yung insurance, accidental insurance, hindi natin kailangan. Ang importante, healthy tayo. Ang importante, on the next purchase, less 40% tayo. So ito na yung power of duplication. So it must be start as ikaw, you. Ayaw natin yung iba, dapat tayo yung mauna. Hahanap lang tayo ng 6 na tao. Mayroon tayong maraming kaibigan in our Facebook. 'Di ba? Ang dami nating kaibigan, pero hinihingi ng system 6 lang. Yung 6 na tao, tutulungan natin para makahanap sila ng 6, so magiging 36. Yung 36, tutulungan din natin na makahanap ng 216. Until such time, magiging 9,330. But based on statistics, only 20% lang ang mag-continue na mag-purchase ng product kasi yung iba, na sila sa kanilang mga health challenge. Yung iba, ayaw na nila nang bumili kasi karamihan sa atin, pag okay na yung health challenge natin, hindi mag-stop na mag-take ng products. But take note, sinasabi sa system, if each of the 20% or 1,866 people order 3B tickets every month, hindi yan sinasabi na ibibenta or ibibusiness natin. Order lang yan. How much is our, next slide ma'am. So pag mayroon tayong order ng 3B tickets, so our royalty bonus, ito yung pinakamasarap. 1 million. How much is that? 1,511,460. Yes, passive income is real here. Totoo talaga to. Yes or yes, ito yung pinakamasarap royalty bonus natin. Kasi nag-duplicate na tayo. Yes. So, dito sa lifestyles, tayo yung tatanungin. What do you want to be? How much would you like to earn? Ang sarap pakinggan, di ba? How much would you like to earn? Mga mukha tayong pera. Ito yung mga potential income natin. Pag independent distributor tayo, so 20,000. Pag direct distributor tayo, 20 to 40,000. Ito yung ladder of success natin ha. Pero hindi tayo kikita pag hindi natin ito tinatrabaho. Hindi pwede yung nakaupo na tayo kasi regional director na ako. Kasi nakalagay dito regional director 40 to 75,000. Paano ka kikita kung hindi mo tatrabahuin? Kasi hindi to scam. We need to work for it. So pag nagiging executive director na tayo, so our potential income is 75 to 200,000. Pag nagiging national marketing director na tayo, and this is very true, so 200 to 500,000. Yes, it is the best business in the world. Yes, so nagiging international marketing na tayo, so our potential income here is 500 to 1 million lang naman. Yung graduation natin, magiging global marketing director, ito yung pinapangarap lahat ng mga lifestyler, magiging global marketing director. Why? Kasi yung income natin, 1 million lang naman, month after month after month. But, meron tayong 3 keys to success here. 3 Yahweh kung paano tayo magiging successful. Yes, 3 lang kailangan nito. Number 1, dream. Yes, you must have a dream. Hindi yung dream na natutulog tayo. Dapat yung dream na dilat yung mga mata natin. Dream na galing sa puso, nandyan sa puso at saka nandyan sa isipan natin. And then, we need to work for our dreams kasi walang dream na makakamit natin pag hindi natin yan tinatrabahuan. And the number 3, ito yung pinakamahirap, being teachable. Yes, being teachable, ito yung pinakamahirap. Kung ano tayo, dapat yung corona mo ngayon, ibaba natin yan at magpaturo tayo sa taong nagdadala sa atin dito sa lifestyles. Magpapaturo tayo sa ating mga mentor, just be teachable. And of course, I know 100% yung success makukuha na natin. Pag may dream tayo, work natin yung dreams natin and being teachable tayo. So, I think this is my last slide. So, step on board and begin with our lifestyles journey. So, this is my lifestyles journey. So, before, tingnan mo, 30 plus pa lang ako, ang mukha na akong 50 plus, but now look at me, I'm 52 years old. That is our latest picture. So, gaganda tayo because of lifestyles products. So, next slide, please. So, I've been into piggery business for 20 years, but due to the health challenge of my 7 years old son, namulat ang aking mga mata, nakita ko yung post ng aking mentor, MD Maruso. Tinanong ko siya kung pwede ba makainom yung anak ko because of the health challenge. Meron na siyang maintenance since birth. Grabe yung eczema niya, grabe yung asthma niya. So during that time, piggery business pa ko. During piggery business, ang taas, ang dami kong utang, accumulation of utang, may sakit pa yung anak ko. Kaya nung nakita ko yung lifestyles, so ito yung anak ko, 3 years old ba siya at that time. Pabalik-balik kami sa hospital, pabalik-balik kami sa kanyang pedia. Sinabi ko sa doctor na pwede pang painumin ng intra. Sabi niya, ikaw mami, kasi hiyang naman si baby, pwede mo nang i-continue mag-inom ng intra. I'm so thankful. 7 years old na yung anak ko, wala na siyang maintenance. Yes, wala nang maintenance because of lifestyles products. So that's why I'm here right now, talking in front of you, nagpaturo at nag-attend ng trainings para to grow in my business. So that is our last there in that picture is last January. I attend training. So this is a family business. My son is in my team. He is a national marketing director already. So family business, pwede natin mapamana natin sa ating mga anak to. So ginawa ko na yung business kasi ibinigay. Kung ano mangyari sa atin, pwede nating maiwan yung business natin, willable kasi. So yung nasa harapan yun noon, daspan at saka silhig lang yung hawak ko ngayon, nagiging speaker na kasi yung personality growth natin ngayon, pag lifestyler ka, grabe yung personality growth mo. Ano ka talaga, ma-develop ka talaga. At saka yung travels, given na dito. Kung gusto mo mag-travel, mag-lifestyler ka, given lahat yan, nasa lifestyles. In fact, by this June, pupunta naman kami ng Siargao. And this is our gala. So, naka-attend ako ng gala. 4 times na po ako naka-attend ng gala. Ito yung pinakamaano ng event ng lifestyle. So, I'm not here in front of you without my mentors. I am MD Maru Ingbino, GMD Imelda Rosales, and GMD Eva. So, I'm grateful I have them to teach me also. So, next slide, please. So, nandito ako bumabangon because of my big why. Sila yung mga big why ko, nagsusumikap ang isang lola because I have my family, I have my apo na. Ito yung rason na nandito ako bumabangon kasi I want to have time and financial freedom. So with lifestyles income, ito na yun. Noon, businesswoman daw ako pero yung bangko ko parang bola. Untol na untol kasi bouncing check. But now, with lifestyles income, meron na rin akong savings. I have already insurance for my 7 years old kid and for myself. And then, nakabili na rin ako ng new motor for my husband. And my latest acquisition through my lifestyles income is yung lote. Yes, praise the Lord. Grabe ang ano dito sa lifestyles. Yung opportunity dito sa lifestyles. At saka my first check was only 4,647.90. But when I was promoted as National Marketing Director, it's only 227, 320 lang naman just in 1 month, excluding yan ng retail profit namin. So we're not bragging here. We're just here to inspire you na totoo talaga ang opportunity dito sa lifestyle. So my past does not equal to my future. So I believe this, a grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. So if you love your body, you take Intra. And if you love your family, please do the business and be one of us. With that, thank you and good morning.
Yes, thank you so much, NMD Jonna, for a job well done marketing presentation. Grabe talaga, na? Parang gusto kong sumali uli. Yes or yes, indeed, the best business in the world. Now, na-inspire ba ang lahat? Are we still excited? Kahit me, I'm excited nga on the comment box below. So, if you're kung na-inspired kayo, let's listen to what people say about our amazing products and business para mas ma-inspired pa more. Testimony sharers, of course, we have here ED6QLPL Edralyn Cuerda and National Marketing Director Leotesa Nyolora. Take it away, testimony sharers.
Yes, good morning. I am ED6QLPL Edralyn Cuerda from Liloan, Cebu. I work in the local government for 8 years, no? But I am a single mother of 3 kids. So I met Entra in 2020 during the high time of pandemic, but doing the Lifestyles Mission full-time since 2022. So dito, na-address po yung mga illness ko, mga health challenges ko. So meron po akong allergic rhinitis, hyperthyroidism, dysmenorrhea, and migraine. And so with my mom na 82 years old, meron din po siyang bato sa kidney at cyst sa kidney. Taking the products Intra and Nutria na wala po yun in 5 months lang. So after 4 months, so I decided September 2022 to resign. So 4 months after that, na-promote po ako ng ED6QLPL, no? So pag dito, na-promote tayo, yung mga business partners natin, mapo-promote din, no? So at dito talaga, mag-a-attend tayo ng mga events para to know more about our products. So meron tayong MBA, mga RLT, yung iba, may gala po tayo. So dapat mag-a-attend tayo dyan at naka-attend din ako niyan. So excited din po ako sa mga travel incentives dito. So yung mga gusto ng mga travel dyan, so decide now kasi may marami tayong travel incentives and I'm looking forward to our Siargao incentive this coming June, no? So next, so ito yung mga big why ko. It's my kids, 3 anak ko, tsaka yung mama ko at tsaka yung mga siblings family ko. They are my big why. Sila yung mga dahilan kung bakit ko ito ginagawa, no? So dito meron din tayong mga mentors. So I have a mentors, NMD Jonna, no? Salamat talaga, IMD Maru, GMD Eva at saka sa GMD MM. I love you talaga sa mga mentors ko. So my first check here was only 4,000 and my highest check when I became a ED6QLPL was 122,000, no? So yung mga ano dyan, decide now, and with that, to God be all the glory. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, world. So once again, I am National Marketing Director Leotesa de Lucerne from Hamilton, Ontario, Canada. So before Lifestyles, I'm suffering for 11 years of my allergy rhinitis. I have sprays, and you can see in the screen, there's a lot of medication that I have. So what's next? On September of 2021, I was in a car accident, and I didn't feel anything until a couple days na yun na hindi mo maramdaman agad-agad, until pain on my shoulder and lower back got worse. I had sleepless night. Then I gained weight, anxiety, and fear to get into the car again. So nag-undergo ako ng therapy. So nag-physio, and then lahat, MRI and everything na inano ng doctor. So until GMD Blanca reached out to me to try to take the product. So I did. So I went back to my doctor. Then yung sabi ng doctor ko, there's no other option, Tisa, but you have to go to the steroid injections for a lifetime. So sabi ko sa doktor ko, give me 1 month to, doc, to decide. So I said no to the steroid injection. So yung 1 month na yon, like there's no tomorrow. I take the product massively, and thanks God for 1 month taking the products, everything was fine. Such as an amazing talaga, blessed by God, address my health issues. So here's my big why I did the business, because I want my family will be healthy as well, and to be also to sustain taking the products and with more free products. So what's next is my GMD uplines, my mentors. With them I learned how to do the business online, and I'm very thankful for that. Thank you, GMD Eva Aradelius, GMD Blanca, NMD Donald, and GMD Miles, for showing this great opportunity, to Nana Eleanor and Tatay Palaran. Thank you so much for your undying support. And doing the mission also is, I really love do the missions. That's the routine that I love to do, sharing our products not only for those Filipinos, but also to our brother and sisters in different countries and ethnicity. We make difference here every day. Then what's next is my personality growth in Lord, with really changed from good to better, from better to great. That's why we have to attend trainings. We develop our self-confidence to talk to people. So what else is my Rogati Team Canada? We're getting wider and bigger. Yes or yes? Yes. So my Rogati Southern Liti team, thank you. And they're bunching too. Thank you so much, team, for all your hard work. Thank you to our mother team, Matchlis Mactan team, and Team Rogate. So what's next is my mom's story. So before she was candidate in hypertension and heart problem, she had also been in ECG, EKG loyalist because of her heart problem. She had undergone arthrocentesis, is a joint aspiration due to arthritis and other bone problems. Then high blood no more. She can now enjoy the sun without worrying about her BP. And now look at her. She's swimming with the whale shark in Cebu that I never been before. Isn't it amazing? Yes or yes? Yes. Then what's next is my promotion. So I became a direct distributor at December of 2021. And then on the RD to ED on 2022 February, and then ED6 July of 2022, and then I become a National Marketing Director March of 2023. That's February volume. And with that, thank you. To God be all the glory. Back to our beautiful host, GMD Susan Trevion.
Yes, thank you to all our testimony sharers. Oh my God, no, grabe. Now introducing to you our last speaker. She's a registered nurse by profession, a passionate leader, 2016 runner-up of Lifestyle's highest personal group volume or PGV, 2018 awardee of Life Builders Club team player, 2021 nominee of Lifestyle's highest organizational growth. Please, everyone, our last speaker, and definitely not the least, Global Marketing Director, Milagros Rocamora. Take it away, GMD.
Thank you so much, beautiful GMD Susan Chabion. Good morning, everyone. So before I'm going to give my task, I'm going to share to you my testimony. So last April of 2016 po, my intro story. Before that, I was an Eat Bulaga dancer or a solid gold dancer po with Mel Feliciano and Anna Feliciano. Then I came back in Cebu, got married, and I worked in a hotel. And my husband gave me the opportunity to finish my nursing. So at age 35, nag-aral po ako ng nursing at graduate po at age 40 years old. Praise God. Pero ngayon, mas prouder po siya sa akin kasi I'm one of the global marketing director. So my lifestyle's interest story started last April of 2015 when I had pleural effusion. In a layman's term po, may tubig po ako sa baga with atelectasis that ang lungs ko po ay almost to be collapsed. Grabe talaga ang sitwasyon ko. And 10 days that I was admitted, I have stiffness in my joints. I cannot move freely. I can't even go to the bathroom on my own. I need to be assisted. And thank God, because I remember a post of a friend of mine, GMD Yovi Aninyon. And tingnan nyo naman ang fluid sa lungs ko po. 1,020 cc of fluid was taken out from my lungs. And you know what? 19 days after I was discharged, another 500 cc of fluid was taken out. Yan pong mukha ng isang sakitin. Very, very different na po ngayon. Thank you, Lord, talaga sa produkto natin. And you know what? Since we are so broke and we don't have enough money, so I remember a post of a friend of mine, GMD Yovi Aninyon. Naalala ko, nagpo-post siya ng intra, and you know what? Since we are so broke, wala kaming pera, we signed up for a 2,000 membership muna para lang po makapag 20% discount. Being a user for 10 months, since wala nga kaming budget, naku po, ang husband ko naman po ang nag-heart enlargement. Dito natakot talaga ako. Imagine na, wala akong trabaho. Tapos may sakit pa ako. Tapos ang breadwinner, naku po, nagkasakit. Parang gusto ko talagang mamatay na rin. Pero praise God talaga, dahil kay GMD Yovi po, nag-join po kami sa Lifestyles. Thank you, Lord. We decided to borrow money to have our first Express Direct package March of 2016. And you know what? Nung nagdesisyon talaga kami mag-package, nako po, thank God talaga, dahil alam nyo, grabe ang Lifestyles company po. We are protected talaga dahil nag-sign up kami. At tingnan mo, nung na-slide po yung husband ko, na-aksidente siya mismo dito sa bahay, and he had fracture of the left hip. Alam nyo ba? Sabi ng doktor, 3 to 6 months bago siya makalakad uli. Pero alam nyo po, 3 weeks. Amazing. 3 weeks nakalakad na siya ulit. And you know what? From 2 crutches to hand crutch until 3rd week, naglakad na talaga siya mag-isa without assisted device. Amazing talaga, di ba? Kaya ang ginawa ko, nag-mission talaga kami ng mag-asawa. Wala kaming pakialam sa sinasabi ng tao. Sinasabi nila na hindi namin makakaya ito. At inakyat ko talaga ang ladder of success. Ginalingan ko. Kasi nga, di ba, ito po ang hagdanan sa kabantog. Ito po yung daan natin para maibot sa utang. Lord, thank you talaga, Lord. And I made it to Global Marketing Director during high time of pandemic. Grabe, di ba? At dito, dahil dito, next slide. Ayan, i-recognize po tayo sa Lifestyles company. I have been going up on the stage, accepting rewards, and more to come. And you know what? Because of your hard work, travels are given here. Local travels. No, grabe mo, abot ka bisag asa nga lugar sa Pilipinas. No, sa una, noon talaga, ang husband ko, sa Bacolod na trabaho or sa Bohol, mangilang-ilang times lang makapunta. But ngayon, kaming dalawa na talaga magkasama, may pa-international travel pa, di ba? Isn't it amazing? Sino bang gusto ng travel? Say me in the chat box below. And of course, dito po, para mas mabilis ang mission natin dito, kailangan natin ng sasakyan para paspas tayo. And tag-blessing kami ng sasakyan namin. Ayan, Norjin, me, Gigi in Hawaii, me. Ayan, dapat ikaw talaga ang susunod na mag-GMD, ha? Okay, next is ito, blessing. And of course, biniyayaan kami ni Lord ng magandang tirahan. Thank you, Lord, no? We have an exclusive lot subdivision in Ligran. And ito, next slide. Alam nyo ba na nag-move in kami sa bago naming bahay ng December 8. Dumating si Odette December 16. Ganon si Lord, ka-amazing, no? Binigyan niya kami ng bahay na matirahan dahil alam niya na tatanggalin ni Odette lahat ng bubong namin sa old house namin dahil puno na siya ng anay. Diba? Huwag kang matatakot gumawa sa business sa lifestyle dahil si Lord talaga ang bahala sa iyo. At dito, pag ginawa mo ng seryoso ang mission dito, lalabas ang mga taong tutulong sa iyo. Utang na loob ko po ang posisyon ko na GMD sa mga taong ito, na mga elite leaders ko. Oh my God, and Lord, please give me more. Please give me more, Lord. Next slide. Dito, National Gala, naka-8 National Gala na kami. And on January 25, 2025, sinong pupunta ng gala? Say me again there in the chat box. And this will never happen if not with our mentors. Kailangan talaga magpa-mentor talaga tayo lagi. Hindi pwedeng walang upline po. Kailangan po talaga patulong sa mga upline natin dahil this is a love-hate relationship, and para sa akin, love lang talaga all the time. Dahil ang personality growth dito, hindi po mabayaran ng pera. Naging mabait na po ako dito kasi dati po pangit talaga ugali ko. Abay, sino ba namang gagandang ugali? Walang pera, may sakit, kaya negative. But ngayon po, praise God, no? Walang katumbas na pera ang personality growth. Sinong gustong bumait dito? Type, gusto kong bumait. Yes, no? And dito, pag bumait ka, ayan, lalaki yung organization mo. Dahil this is really a relationship business. Thank you, GMD. Ayan, hi Ma'am Carol, hi. And my big why is my family. Wala nang question dito eh. Huwag mong patayin ang dreams mo dahil sa pamilya mo. Ito lang ang reason ko kung bakit ko ginagawa ito. Walang kapagod-pagod, lahat ibibigay sa nanay ko na 80 years old, no maintenance. May apo na po ako. Ang husband ko po retired dahil sa business. Magkasama na kami lagi. Nag-graduate po yung anak ko ng occupational therapy, no? In Veles. Masteral na siya ngayon. Had it been na hindi ko ginawa ang business, my God, baka sabihan ko ang anak ko, Day, mag 2-year course lang ka, Day, vocational. O, di ba? Pero dahil GMD ang nanay niya, okay, kaya naging registered occupational therapy na therapist na yung pong anak ko. And you know what? I truly believe that if you are in a successful business life like lifestyles, success really is going to chase you. So sino dito ang gustong maging mabuti ang buhay ng pamilya nila? Type me. The only way to get it is only 6 basic steps. List of dreams. This is your big why. May mga dreams pa ba tayo na natulog na lang? Nung bata pa tayo, ang dami nating pangarap eh. I wanna be a nurse, I wanna be rich, I wanna travel abroad. But as we are getting older and we get married, ang dreams natin ay pamilya na lang natin or anak natin. Paano naman tayo? May karapatan pa rin tayong mangarap. Pwede pa tayong mangarap, basta magtiwala ka lang sa sarili mo. Naniniwala ka ba na kaya mong gawin na ayusin ang buhay ng pamilya mo? Sabihin mo, kaya dyan sa chat box. Patingin nga, kung talagang kaya mo ito, then dapat alam mo ang big why mo. Dahil if you know your big why, the how doesn't matter. You know, this is a very hybrid way of distributorship in direct selling. Leveraging is real, guys. You know, earning while sleeping, no impossible in this business. Basta't maniwala ka lang. Kaya natin to lahat. And second is, of course, you have the list of people. Kasi nga, leveraging concept. We are a people business. This is the asset in our business. Pag walang tao, wala tayong negosyo. Kaya alam mo ba, we have borderless opportunity. Kahit sa ang sulok ng mundo, may business partner ka sa US, sa Canada, sa London, sa Dubai. Grabe, no? Anong mangyayari? Nag-invest ka lang sa health mo at binisnes mo ang produkto na napakagaling, tapos may business ka all over the world. Isn't it amazing? Pakilagay nga ng amazing dyan kasi interesado talaga akong marinig na amazing nga talaga ang business natin. And of course, we must be the product of the product. We have to use our product. Syempre, next slide. Okay, use the products talaga because this is a storytelling business. Sabi nga nila alam mo ba, pag i-share mo ang story mo na amazing talaga at napagaling ka, that will make you a millionaire. Sabi ko, wow, magiging milyonarya ako? Parang imposible, pero pinaniwalaan ko yung paniniwala ng upline ko sa akin kasi sila nakakita ng kakayahan natin Kasi unang-una, hindi ka maniniwala talaga sa sarili mo. Pero pag ikaw ay naging product na ng product, pag ikaw ay naging model na ng product, you are unstoppable. Mantakin mo naman na wala even the scar in my lungs. Ang husband ko na wala ang heart enlargement. Ang husband ko nakalakad kahit na disgrasya. May reimbursement pa sa lifestyles. Paano hindi ako gagaling dito? Utang na loob ko po sa Lord na nandito ako sa lifestyles dahil sa product natin. Nanay ko, no maintenance. Diba? So, ano ba ang next na gagawin mo? Is setting appointment. Invitation is not equal to explanation. You need to sign up first, then we can set appointment sa mga prospect mo. Never attempt to explain kasi we need to do the leveraging franchising business. You need to be educated here on how to do this business. And of course, sa panglima na gagawin natin, eto na. Next slide. Ang gagawin mo ay mag-show the plan na tayo. Una po, 2:1 muna. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Ikaw ay sasamahan, tuturuan, tutulungan at gagabayan. Whatever it takes para ikaw ay maging GMD dito. And you know what? Pag marunong ka na, 1 to 5, sasamahan ka, then 5 to 10, ikaw ay sasamahan pa rin, pero ikaw na nag-explain kasi we wanna learn from you also. Then, pag magaling ka na, ay nako, kahit saan ka magpunta, alam mo na ang produkto, ikaw ay mag-one-on-one na. And of course, favorite ng lahat, ang home meeting. Kasi pag ginawa ang home meeting, may pabaon pa uwi. No, di ba, may bit-bit kang saging. I really love home meeting, no? Ang sarap talaga ng kwentuhan. And of course, the big bang is the health opportunity presentation and experience. Sa Hope kasi, marami tayong nakikita ng mga testimonies na, oh my God, no? Had it been na hindi ako nagpunta sa Hope, nung umpisa talaga, I will never really realize how important this business for me and for my family because the product is really amazing. Diba? And you know what? Kailangan talaga sign up ka muna para magawa natin ang lahat nito at ma-realize mo lahat ng dreams mo. Gusto mo ba yon? Type yes ulit in the chat box below. I want to see it flooding. Come on, come on, come on. And of course, we must all be a core person. Alam mo ba, since tayo ay health advocate, we need to be a core person. And pag sinabi na mag-speaker ka to be a product presenter, anong sagot? Yes lang talaga. Yes, Ma'am Carol. Yes, Norgine. No, be a yes person, sabi nga ni GMD Susan. Are you a yes person? I'm really a yes person. I never, ever, ever say no. Whatever it takes, it's a yes for me all the time. Because if we are in the best state of our health, do you know that you are the wealthiest? Of course, paano ka magiging hindi wealthy? Wala kang sakit eh. The people in the hospital are so poor because their money will be soaked there in the hospital. But if you're in your best state of health, I'm really sure you are the wealthiest. And the personality growth, the person you've become. Do you want to be a happy person? Do you want to be a yes person? Oh my God, that is no tag price for that. So these three must be implemented wholeheartedly. Yes or yes? Never define your life according to your past. Your past is past. Let bygones be bygones. A new you is coming your way, which will make you very rich and very, very healthy. Yes or yes? And you know what? After all that we have heard the testimonies from the first speaker, I really admire GMD Susan for saying yes to be the host today. I am the Shani Go for the product. And I'm the Jonna Pilapil with the marketing. And to our testimony sharers, by the way, I'm the Shani's from Michigan, USA. To Ma'am Adreline in Liloan, to NMD Tessa in Canada. Oh my God, no? And Mila here in Minglanilia. Amazing talaga ang business, di ba? You know what? Life is a choice. Your life today is the result of your attitude and choices of the past. Tanggalin mo na yung attitude mo na nega na nakasanayan mo. Dahan-dahan mong palitan na positive. No, pag positive kasi ang attitude mo, napakadaming positive na mangyayari sa buhay mo. Gusto mo ba yon? Because once you do that, your life tomorrow will be the result of the choices you make today. Yes or yes? Thank you, Lord God, for this amazing opportunity. I hope I did touch a piece of your heart. Please join us and be inspiring. Thank you and good morning.
Wow, thank you so much, Jim D. Miles, for such a wonderful closing presentation and for sharing your wonderful stories to the world. Oh my God. Yes lang talaga. Yes or yes? Yes. Okay, everyone. Thank you. Of course, again, thank you for choosing Lifestyles. Get back to the person that invites you here today and start achieving your dreams today. Thank you, and to God be all the glory. Bye-bye.